Good morning, Clearborough, North Dallas, January 2025. Quite a few cars up. We'll take a walk around the shop here in a little bit, but this is a 2022 Lamborghini Huracan STO version. Full wrap with the stealth film. It's a stealth matte paint job. We did all this with the PPF as well, but here's an original color. So this is all wrapped in PPF, but this is paint right here. So all this is to protect it as you're getting in. So every step there is covered. Going around this vehicle, still pay attention to the same care. Up front here, everything has 2 layers. All this carbon fiber has 2 layers, fully wrapped edges. So 2 layers of Expel Ultimate Plus, 2 layers of the Stealth to protect that whole nose all the way through. 2 layers of film through all that. Fully ceramic coated, tinted XR Plus window film. Coming around all these edges. A lot of seaming goes on in here. All this is one piece. So it starts here, goes there, goes all the way to the tail. It's all one coming through, all one. No seam here, continuing through one piece. The seam starts here. This is blank. And I put a piece in here and it breaks right here where we break, and then it comes around, so we get more full coverage than some other patterns. This one obviously gets altered to do that. Coming around our bumpers, everything's fully wrapped here, all the carbon fiber all the way under. The spoiler fully wrapped all the way around, all the way to the back, one piece. Much more the same here, getting all our corners wrapped. We don't leave anything to chance on a vehicle like this. Both sides of the end of the spoiler wrapped on both sides. Again, much more the same here, one full piece all the way around. This gets seamed in here. All this is seamed in, so there's separate sections that run through here that seam in so that all of the paint's covered. On the previous wrap on this, it wasn't done that way. There was a lot of gaps left. Just a lot of shortcuts were on it. It's been redone. Our fuel door fully wrapped in, no lines. Everything is hidden behind the panel. And again, over here, much more the same. All this is fully done. The Huracan's fully done. Each step is fully done. The rockers are fully wrapped from here all the way to where they stop about 8 inches underneath. And our stalks, this is your mirror stock. Obviously your full mirror's done. All this carbon fiber's done. Both this, the steps, and the other side. And there it is, pretty much work of art. Takes time, a lot of pieces on this car, a lot of detail. More detail than this car, not as much going on. More simple. This guy gets complicated. So there you go, 22 Lamborghini Huracan STO, full stealth, full tint, Expel, both best products on the market on the best car out there. So there it is, clearboroughnorthdallas.com, 214-414-3809. I'm Brent. Thanks for watching. Any questions, feel free to write us at clearboroughnorthdallas@gmail.com. Have a nice day.